If you want to stay ahead of the market, setting alerts on Webull is a must. Here's how to do it step by step. First, open the Webull app and search for the stock, ETF, or crypto you want to track. Once on the Assets page, tap the Alerts or bell icon. You can set price alerts, volume alerts, or even percentage change alerts. Just enter your preferred trigger, like alert me when Apple hits $200. Save your settings and Webull will notify you instantly when the condition is met. This way, you don't need to keep staring at charts all day. Webull does the tracking for you and sends real-time push notifications straight to your phone. You can also manage all your alerts in the Alert Center, edit them anytime, or delete the ones you no longer need. Plus, you're not limited to just one set, multiple alerts for different conditions on the same stock to match your strategy. Super handy for both beginners, learning the ropes, and active traders who want smarter tools to react quickly.